Now, I want to teach you long division, okay? Most students find long division very hard, and I'm going to make it very simple in this video, okay? Now, we are going to start from the simplest to complex, okay? So let's first of all start with this. Now, note that when solving long division, we have 4 rules to apply. Now, let's write down those rules so that it will be easier for us. So we have division. Okay, number 2 is multiplication. Okay, number 3 is subtraction. And number 4 is bring down. Okay, now these are the rules to apply, and you apply it accordingly. Okay, from 1 to 4. You don't jump any step. Okay. So now let's pick number 1. Number 1 is 28 divided by 2. Okay. Now this 28 here is the dividend. That is the one we are to divide. To divisor. Now, and the result we are going to get is called the quotient, okay? So from here, the first thing we are going to do is to divide. So we'll take the divisor, which is 2, to divide the first digit, which is 2, okay? So we'll have 2 divided by 2 will give us 1, okay? Now, the second step is multiplication. So 1 times 2 will give us 2. The third step is subtraction. We'll subtract, okay? So 2 minus 2 will give us 0, okay? Just write that 0, or you can leave it, okay? Now from here, the first step is bring down. So bring down the next digit, which is 8. Okay, I hope this is clear. So we'll go. The first step is division. So we'll divide 8 by 2 and we'll get 4. Okay, so 4 times 2 will give us 8, and we'll subtract. So 8 minus 8 will give us 0. So it simply means that 28 divided by 2 is 14. Now we took this first step because this is the simplest form of it, okay? Now let's solve for the number 2. The digit here is 6. So we'll divide 6 by 5, and we are going to have 1. 1 remainder 1. So write that 1 here. We'll multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. Then we'll subtract. 6 minus 5 will give us 1. Okay. Now we'll bring down. So we'll bring 2 down here. Okay. So 5 divide 12 will give us 2 remainder 1. 2 remainder 2, sorry. So we'll write that 2 here. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Then we'll subtract this step here. So from here, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 2 minus 0 will give us 2. Now the next step is to bring down 5. Okay. So 5 divided 25 will give us 5. Okay. So we'll write that 5 here. 5 times 5 will give us 25. And we'll subtract. 25 minus 25 will give us 0, 0. So the answer to this is 125 is the result of this. 125 is the answer. So for the third one is 520 and 5,210, okay? 5,210 divided by 10. Now looking at this, you can see that we cannot find any 10 in 5, okay? Because 10 is bigger than 5. So because of that, we'll bring the next digit. So we are going to be dividing it with these 2 digits, since 10 cannot divide 5, okay? So we'll bring these 2 digits, which is 52. How many 5 can we find inside 52? Is how many 10 can we find inside 52? That is 5, okay? So we'll write the 5 here. Remember that we are writing it on top of these 2, because this will be what? 0, because this is not possible. So we'll write 0 here, okay? This is not possible, we'll write 0. So 5 times 10 will give us 50. Then we'll subtract, okay? We've done division, multiplication, then subtraction, okay? So 5 minus 5 is 0. So 2 minus 0 will give us 2. We'll bring down 1, okay? Now, how many 10 can we see inside 21? That is 2. So we'll write the 2 here on this one. 2 times 10 will give us 20, and we'll subtract. 21 minus 20 will give us 1, okay? We'll bring down this 0 here. Now, from here, 10 divide 10 will give us 1. So write the 1 here. So 1 times 10 will give us 10. We'll subtract, and 10 minus 10 will give us 0. So that the answer to this is 521. I hope that this is very, very helpful. Please share your thoughts in the comment section, and also share this video. Bye.